Most people think finding great stocks takes hours of research, complex spreadsheets, and Wall Street level experience. But what if I told you there's a much faster way to spot companies with real long-term potential without making this a full-time job? Today, I'm breaking down a simple stock picking cheat code that professional analysts use to uncover companies with competitive advantages. And I'll show you how you can use it on any stock in just minutes. The key is letting the numbers tell the story, because behind every great performing stock is a business that converts revenue into profits more efficiently than its competitors, grows faster, and steadily improves over time. This only works when you compare companies within the same industry, not across different sectors. Because comparing a software company to a grocery chain makes no sense. In software, for example, it's common to see 70 to 90% gross margins and massive growth, while consumer staples might only hit 30% margins with slower growth, yet still deliver strong returns. So what you're really hunting for are companies that dominate their own lane. That's where margins come in. Gross margin shows how much a company keeps after paying for production, while operating margin shows what's left after running the business. High margins usually signal pricing power, efficiency, or a product customers can't easily replace. But margins alone aren't enough. You also want revenue growth, because that's what fuels long-term earnings. When you combine strong margins with fast-growing sales, you've got the recipe for compounding returns. For example, if you look at companies like Microsoft, you can easily calculate these numbers straight from the income statement: revenue growth, gross margin, and operating margin. It's not complicated, it just requires knowing where to look. And once you do, you'll never blindly follow stock tips again. Now, when we apply this cheat code to real companies, we start seeing clear standouts. One of them is Fair Isaac, the company behind the FICO credit score, which dominates the credit scoring industry. Despite growing competition from AI tools, its model remains the standard across lending, underwriting, and risk systems, creating a massive moat. The numbers reflect that: top-tier operating margins, strong revenue growth, and improving efficiency over time. Then there's Uploven, which has been one of the biggest winners in software thanks to its ad tech platform that helps developers monetize users more efficiently than competitors. It benefits from scale, strong network effects, and incredible profitability, converting a huge chunk of its revenue into actual profits. That's why it's delivered massive long-term gains. But great businesses don't always make great investments at any price, which is why valuation matters. Some companies, like Palantir, show insane growth and improving margins, but trade at sky-high valuations, meaning even a small disappointment can cause the stock to crash. On the other hand, you'll sometimes find companies like Fortinet that quietly dominate their space, post strong margins, and trade at much more reasonable prices, giving you upside with less downside risk. That's the balance smart investors look for. Now, shifting to the broader market, earnings season is in full swing, and companies like Netflix are reporting strong growth, benefiting from seasonal trends and improving profitability. Financial stocks like Ally Financial are solid long-term businesses, but much of the easy money has already been made there. Meanwhile, software stocks have been under pressure due to fears that AI could replace enterprise software, but, in reality, many of these companies may actually grow faster by integrating AI into their products. And while stocks like Supermicro have been volatile, massive revenue growth could push them much higher for patient investors. On the macro side, inflation continues to cool, interest rates are expected to come down gradually, and corporate earnings remain strong, which is why this bull market still has fuel left in the tank even with all the global uncertainty. So the takeaway is simple: you don't need to guess, hype, chase, or rely on anyone's opinion. Let the numbers show you which companies have real advantages, strong profitability, and sustainable growth, because that's how long-term wealth is built. And just a quick reminder, this content is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions.